God. Beautiful. Hi Momenters, from you see me in this hat, you know I'm in vacation mode, quote unquote vacation mode. But I am actually in Portland, more specifically in the Boston area. I'm staying at, well, I stayed at Great Huts for the night, and I just want to give you guys like a small tour of my room and so on and so forth. And if you guys like this style of video, I'll try to come back and do a full walkthrough of all the different huts that they have available for you to stay in. And it's more of an outdoors type place, more rustic, more in the woods type feel. But you guys will see what I'm talking about when I get inside. But enough of the chattings. Akeem, oh, wait a minute. Thank you guys so much for 19,500 plus subscribers. Road to 20,000. Let's go. If you haven't joined the Momentous family as yet, just look down below and smash that subscribe button. Alright, Akeem out. Alright, so let's head on inside. People are sleeping. It's like 6 o'clock right now, 7 o'clock right now. Big up my boss.
Easy, my boss. Easy.
This is time for when you're leaving. Can check it out at Moments by Boothe on YouTube, yeah? Check out the waves down this side. I know you guys can hear the roaring waters. No doubt about it. Ooh. So we're right beside Boston Beach. There goes somebody surfing. And you have hammocks right here. I have a bin. Got the nice foliage, the flora and fauna. Beautiful. The waves are a bit rough. Hello. Have some nice seating areas right here. Woo! Oh my God. Beautiful. Woo! Oh my days. Wow. Just wow. I don't think I even need to show you guys the room after this. And you can see right here is wet, so the waves in the nighttime splash from all the way up here. So, and for those of you with anxiety problems, this is not your segment. Woo. Wow. All right. And there's a seat right there. Beautiful place. Oh my gosh. Look at those swells. Wow. I didn't even come around this side yesterday. So we're experiencing this for the first time together. So we're heading back to where we came from now. Watch our steps. Should have put my Crocs in off-road mode. But I just want to show you guys around this side. You can jump in here and just have a little fun time. You can also sit right there. You can sit right here and have the waves wash upon you. And this is just a nice vibe. Wow. Yeah, so let's go back around to the other side now, and I'll show you what else is here, but not give everything away in case you want to come back and do a full tour of everything. Let me tell you something, this property is huge. You see what I said? And big up down the road, got me dripped out. I'll leave the link to his channel down below. He does travel and adventure content, so check him out. This is the main dining area. This is it. So if you're definitely looking for a unique experience, this is the place to be. Bathrooms are right here. Hand wash stations built in. You have more rooms. Oh, I'm not if I cannot show you. Actually, if I come back, you guys have to like this video and comment it down below. I forget at least 100 people saying they want me to come back. At least 100 people. Then I'll come back for sure. But this is my room. Boom. Yeah, my room is kind of fun that is up on the wall. Wintech, big up Carlisa Enterprises every time. So this is the view from my room. It's a bit overexposed right now. The sun is beaming, but you get the ocean view from my room. All that is needed is just some of these to be trimmed up and you get the full ocean view. So this is my room. You have mirror right there. I don't want a branded merch right now, but don't forget to subscribe to the Moments by Boothe YouTube channel. Don't know. That's a bed. I have a table right there. Brand new refrigerator. This is the stuff I brought. Excuse me. So I get onto my bed. Nice, nice. This is the bathroom. Back out of it. That's a bad one. Boom. That's the bathroom. Hot and cold water, which is a big plus. Toilet, towels, sink. Yeah, you can look around the back. So we're going. Yeah. Alright. So I'm going to go to the snake path now. I'll let you guys check that out. Alright. So Akeem out. So this is the long way to the snake path. And there are a lot of hermit crabs out here. If you like hermit crab soup, man, you could just put on a pot to boil. Look at these views. Where else you going getting views like these? And you have little chill spots in and around the snake path. So there's one right there. I'll come around so you can see it. There's one right there. There's another one right here. You can sit in the swing and look out. Have a yoga station over there. Peacefulness and tranquility. Imagine doing yoga with these waves crashing in the background. Another chill spot over there. Give you guys a look of the cave the water washes into. And if you're brave, you can swim around there, but I didn't even swim. I can't really swim well, so as much as I love water, that is my downfall. But I'll get there eventually. I just need to learn how to tread. I can freestyle, but I can't tread or float. Comment down below if you can tread, if you can float, if you can swim, if you come to a place like this, even if you can swim, if you would jump off into the water. So yeah. So this is where we end this video. I think there should be a private pool. There are two private pools somewhere. There are two private pools here, but I'm yet to see them. And then this is another one of the buildings, but of course we're not staying over there, so we don't have access. But yeah, that has been it for another Moments by Boothe Travels video. I hope you guys enjoyed this miniature tour of Great Huts, and don't forget to comment down below if you want me to come and do a full tour of all the different types of huts that are here, that are available for you to come and spend some time in Portland and enjoy views like these. All right. Oh, before I forget, don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm trying to do by becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. And you can help me to do that. All you have to do is to hit that like button down below, smash that subscribe button, and turn your post notifications on. But that has been enough from me, AB, signing out.